This is Yasin from Excel Electricians. Today I'll be showing you how to replace a pull cord switch in the bathroom. This is a pull cord switch. It's only terminals we got there, and in this case I managed to get like for like. To do that you have to remove the light and find out what make is the switch. In this case we do have here is a MK switch, and that way it will allow you to replace it without putting a new back box. Make it easier for you. Okay, the first thing first, you always isolate the supply before carry out any work. Right, let's show you how you can replace this switch. Right, what we got here is only two wires, and you need a flat screwdriver, and you remove the first wire, and again the second terminal, you remove the switch, and then we got a new switch. It doesn't matter where the wire goes. The first one goes in there, and the second one goes into the second terminal, just like that. And then you just push it up, and you've got two screws supplied with a switch. Okay, that's a new switch installed. There we go. Job done. Thanks guys for watching. It's so easy to replace. You just need a flat screw driver and it's all done. Thank you very much for watching.